Hello everyone, welcome to my another brand new video. So today in this video I will show you actually what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, I'm here in a jungle. Actually this is our bamboo garden and we have some mango trees and there are so many unknown trees. Actually I don't know the name of this English name. So actually I have come here to cut some leaves. Actually you know that I have some goats in our house and actually there is no grass and leaves for them. That's why I have come here to cut some leaves. Actually as you can see, there are some twigs. Look over there, I have cut some twigs and I will show you the cutter tools. As you can see, this is a sickle. Look, I have cut these leaves with this sickle. So actually I went to my workplace. Actually I'm a shop worker. I went my shop and I have come back recently from my shop and my wife told me that there is no leaves or and grass for our goats, so bring some leaves and feed them. So that's why I have come here to cut these leaves. So actually I make this video for my practicing purpose. Actually I'm a beginner of learning English. I have been learning English for 6 months, I can say. Yes, 6 months. Actually I'm making this video for my practicing purpose. Actually if I don't practice my English every day, I can't improve myself and my English speaking properly. So that's why I make every day English video for developing my speaking skill. So no more today's video. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to improve your English speaking skill or develop your vocabulary, please record yourself and practice like me, because without practice you cannot improve your English properly. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.